Hi guys, I'm Jordine and welcome back to Sodwana Bay. Join us today as we take a look at our intricate everyday life of our rocky shores. In between the waves, subjected to the ebb and flow of the tides, lies our rocky shores, an incredible insight into the subaquatic worlds within worlds. Observant explorers may come across an array of life forms living in and around the pools. Life that clings to rocks and corals are vast and upon closer observation are really quite interesting. Waiting and watching allows us to see the inner workings and challenges of creatures that you might have overseen. And in some cases, you can also witness unexpected interactions. Visually, while exploring, you will come across pools that have smooth pebbles and fragments of shells. A pleasing natural form of art with many different colors and textures. Sea urchins. These spiny animals have many different shapes, forms and colors, found in every ocean everywhere. In the same family as starfish and sea cucumbers, these creatures spend their day eating drift algae. The most commonly one seen around here also happens to be the biggest, reaching sizes of about 100 millimeters, the pothole urchin, hanging on the sides of the rocks in and out the water. Although their spines are sharp and you may get hurt, they are not poisonous. It is only from the mere fact that you have accidentally leaned into one, or the wave has mistakenly pushed you into one. Otherwise, they are harmless, and they just live their life, clinging onto the rocks, while the waves crashing away at them as time passes, slowly eroding away from the force of the crashing waves. Little creatures are roaming all around. Let's take a look at a few. The blue-eyed hermit crab. The blue-eyed hermit crabs are among one of the most seen creatures. Their distinctive bright blue eyes are the main characterizing feature, but it's their everyday behavior that makes these little creatures fascinating. Always on the move and eating, and finding new, better shells to make a new home in. Keeping our marine protected area pristine is always a top priority of everyday life here in Sodwana Bay. So just remember, when visiting our rock pools, take care and take the less invasive approach to exploring. The more waiting and watching you do, the more animals and unexpected interactions you will experience. Thank you for joining us on our exploration of our rocky shores. Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos. See you next time.